Hello, my name is Mauricio. I am one of the coordinators of the Masters in Computer Science that we offer here at Delft University of Technology. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to our Master's program. Let me start very high level. We currently offer 3 different tracks within our Computer Science Master's program: Data Science and Technology, Software Technology, and Artificial Intelligence Technology. And on top of these 3 tracks, we also offer special programs that you may want to follow, which are cybersecurity, bioinformatics, and information architecture. I'm going to dive into these tracks and into these special programs very soon. But let me first talk about the setup of your master's program, because you are going to design your own program based on the track you choose. But overall, your program has 120 ECs, and you compose these 120 Cs with different things. The first thing is the common core courses, as we call. Each track offers a set of core courses, and you have to pick some of those courses as part of your master's program. And we give you, for example, 11 core courses and you have to pick 5, or 9 and you have to pick 4, depending on the track. These common core courses, they give you kind of the basis of the track. Then you also take some computer science courses to complement the list of courses you are taking, and we offer a lot of computer science courses that you can use to then also specialize in something that you like more. Our research groups offer a lot of those courses, and you are going to see in the list that I'm going to show very soon. You can also shop around and see what other faculties are offering and that you can use to expand your horizons. We also ask you to follow one seminar or literature study course, and these courses are the ones that actually introduce you to the research groups, and usually you do the seminar very close to the research group you're going to do your master thesis, or maybe even closer to the topic you're going to do your thesis. And finally, the thesis project, so your master thesis that you have to deliver at the end, and this is a 45 EC. It takes 45 EC, so you can see it's a very long master thesis, which in practice means that you are going to conduct some serious research together with one of our research groups. So common core courses, computer science courses, free electives, seminar, and then master thesis. This is what an individual master's program look like. For you as a student within these 2 years of your master's, this is what your day-to-day or your quarter-to-quarter looks like. In the first 4 quarters or the first year, you're taking courses. And because the length of the courses vary according to the courses you choose, you can have many different configurations for these, and there we try to illustrate as many different configurations that we see around. But usually then, well, first year full of courses. Second year starts the first quarter there, or quarter number 5 in your master career there. You still take courses there, and usually those courses are, getting closer to the master thesis topic that you're going to do. It's also very common to follow your seminar course around this Q1 second year, so that then after the seminar, you then do your master thesis with the research group you have chosen. I also showed in the picture there in quarter number 2, second year, a course there, because this also happens that a student starts the master thesis, but he or she is also taking a course, although not so common, that might happen. So this is like the overall picture, 5 quarters of courses, and within those courses all, the common core courses and computer science and free electives, of course, everything kind of should fit in there, and then your master thesis in the 3 last quarters of your master's program. Okay? So now that you know the big picture, let's dive into the different tracks so that you can better choose, right? And the first one I'm going to talk about is the software technology track. And if you think about it, all sizable firms, they really need the skills of very good software engineers. And this is then the focus of this track, to make sure you are the software engineer that big companies require nowadays. I don't have to say that anymore, but we all know the impact that software has, not only in economy, but also in society, and that basically every company nowadays is a tech company. Every company does some level of software, right? And if you think about the high techs that we have nowadays, without software, those high techs are useless. Yeah, so software is really important for a lot of companies, and they require good software engineers. So that is the goal of this track, to make you the best software engineer possible. If we formulate this into learning objectives, you are going to learn how to design, develop, and implement software algorithms, languages, and architectures. You are going to understand the properties of sequential, parallel, and also distributed systems, right? And very important to scale software, when the company is too big. And you're going to learn how to design complex algorithms to solve the challenging problems that those companies probably have. And just to give you a taste of what the type of courses you will follow in this track, these are the list of the core courses. So compiler construction, distributed algorithms, real-time systems, behavior chain support systems, 3D computer graphics, advanced algorithms, multimedia search and recommendation, security and cryptography, web science and engineering, machine learning 1, and software architecture. So you can see that the courses are very diverse, and it is up to you to choose where your interests lie, right? And we offer you lots of different things. So this is actually one of the advantages of our master's program, if you ask me, the number of different courses we offer to you. And these are only the common core courses, because we also offer a lot of computer science courses on lots of other topics, but we get there. So you have to choose 5 out of the 11 core courses there to compose your software technology master's program. All those tracks have coordinators that you can look for help or support if you need. And for the software technology track, the coordinators are Rafael and Jan. Then this was software technology. Let's dive into the next track, which is data science and technology. So we live in a big data era, right? And we have data everywhere, and a lot of data everywhere. And in this data science and technology track, what we do is to make sure that you learn how to leverage this data as to get insights of a problem or solve a problem, right? So use data to improve society, so to say. As my slide says, so data has become key to innovations in social and scientific domains, ranging from energy, economy, health, climate, bioinformatics, etc., etc., etc. But you need to learn how to handle all this data and how to extract insights out of it. Then that's the track for you, if that's what you want to do for living. And data scientists, the number of jobs that you see nowadays for data scientists show how relevant this track or this career is nowadays, right? Companies produce data, and now they want to leverage this data to improve. So this is the goal of this data science technology track. Learn how to handle this data. In beautiful words here in the learning objectives, you are going to learn how to engineer and develop systems capable of processing and interpreting massive data sets and extract information and gain understanding of this data. In terms of courses, what do we offer in terms of core courses? Cyber data analytics, data visualization, AI techniques, web science and engineering, multimedia search and recommendation, software architecture, advanced algorithms, distributed computer systems, and machine learning 1. So 9 courses, you have to choose 4 out of those 9 to compose your core. And again, later, free electives, computer science courses, etc., etc. Who are the coordinators? I am one of the coordinators of this track, and I do this together with Klaus. So you can always contact us if you want to understand more about this track. Then finally, the artificial intelligence and technology track. So AI has been disrupting society in all possible ways, right? Because those machine learning algorithms, they are able to learn things that we never thought computers could learn before. And because of that, they are really disrupting the way society works in general, as I said before. So as my slide says in here, so it is predicted, or maybe I don't even have to say predict anymore. So AI is a key enabler, uh, um, it's one of the key enabling technologies for the coming decades, right? There's no doubt about that. And AI has been applied in so many different areas. For example, self-driving cars, smart cities and infrastructures, health, education, etc., etc., etc. So, and what do society needs? Society needs people that know how to handle those AI algorithms and how to build software systems that rely on AI for intelligent decision making. So this is the focus of this track, to show you how to do this properly. In beautiful learning objective words, you are going to learn how to design and engineer AI software systems. Software systems which combine data with intelligent algorithms that are embedded in a larger software ecosystem of the application domain. Okay? In terms of core courses, we offer you artificial intelligence techniques, algorithms for intelligent decision-making, conversational agents, deep learning, information retrieval, machine learning 1, multimedia search and recommendation, evolutionary algorithms, and software architecture. So again, a very large range of different courses for you to become an AI expert. The coordinators, we have Jan and Christoph as coordinators of this track. Great, so this is what I had to say about the tracks. Now let's talk about those special programs. So special programs are quite orthogonal to the track, so you can take the track and complement it with a special program so that you can dive into a specific topic even more. And we offer 3 different special programs: cybersecurity, the first one, and this one is proposed by the 4 TUs together. So you are going to follow courses not only from our professors at Delft, but also from professors at Twente or Eindhoven and etc. So it's a cybersecurity program that was created by the special minds on the topic from the entire country. So this is what makes this program very special. The software architecture program, it is made in collaboration with our technology policy and management, the TPM faculty, and then you get this complementary view on what information architecture is about. Bioinformatics, last in this list, we have an amazing research group in bioinformatics, and bioinformatics being this special topic for society, and very requested by students, right? So then we have a special program there, and you can definitely dive into specific bioinformatics topics. I didn't mention this, but if you follow one of those special programs, this also appears in your final diploma, okay? So they are mentioned in your certificate at the end, which is also very nice. So these are the special programs we offer, and of course, it is up to you, right? It's optional. Who are the coordinators? Christoph is the coordinator for the Information Architecture program, Thomas for the Bioinformatics, and Stepan for the Cybersecurity program. Great. So we talked about the tracks, we talked about the special programs. Now let's talk a little bit about the computer science courses, these specializations that we have, and the seminar courses. So just to remember where we are right now, so you know the common core courses that you have to follow because you have picked a track or a special program. So let's talk about what we missed there. So in terms of computer science courses, as I said, we offer a huge variety of courses basically every quarter. So I just got some screenshots from the 2019-2020 program, and these were the courses that we offered in our first quarter. So you can see things from all over computer science, right? Like networking or fundamentals of quantum information, system validation, medical visualization, ad hoc networks, etc., etc., etc. This is in the second quarter. Also a huge variety different topics. Third quarter, you also see lots of different things. blockchain engineering, educational technologies, hacking lab, real-time systems, etc., etc. And fourth quarter, also a lot of different courses there for you to follow. So um, it was indeed pretty hard for you to see everything that we offer because we just offer too much, right? And this is a advantage again of our master's program, a lot of computer science courses that you can then use to specialize on what you want. Okay, so these are the number of options you have for computer science courses. Of course, every year we offer new courses and etc., so you have to check the list that you have available for the upcoming year. Okay, so specializations, we have a lot of research groups in our computer science faculty, and researchers doing top-level research, right? And in which topics? Algorithms, computer graphics and visualization, cybersecurity, embedded software, interactive intelligence, multimedia computing, network architectures and services, distributed systems, pattern recognition and bioinformatics, software engineering, web information systems, and programming languages. And it is up to you to see which of these which courses these groups offer, what type of research projects they offer, because at the end you're going to join one of those to do your master thesis. And as you can see, we have for all tastes, right? So our computer science department is quite broad, and I'm pretty sure you're going to find a specific topic that you like and that you're going to dive yourself into. Finally, the seminar. So you have to pick at least one seminar or do a literature survey in one of these the topics, and those seminars are of course offered by our specializations, by our research groups. So we suggest that you do your seminar on the topic that you plan to do your master thesis. So make sure you're talking to the researchers from those groups so that you can see what you're more interested, so that you follow the right seminar. And then this is kind of the first step for you to do a very nice master thesis, because if you do the seminar in the topic of your thesis, then you just did your first step, right? So, and as you could see in the list there were so many seminars. Yes, actually, I do have a screenshot about the seminars that we offered in the 2019-2020 program. So you can see that we have many of them. Great. So yeah, maybe the final thing is then the master thesis, because that's the only thing we didn't talk about. Again, it's 9 months. You do it inside of a research department. At the end, you deliver your master thesis. You defend your master thesis. We form a committee that is composed of people from the research group you've chosen and external members, so that someone from the other department can also read your work and give you some feedback. And at the end, you pass your master thesis defense, you get your diploma, and you're done. Yeah, and 45 VCs, lots of very good research. You're going to learn a lot about scientific methodology there, which is also a very nice contribution of our master's program, right? Scientific thinking is fundamental in any career you pick. Finally, admission requirements. If you have a Dutch bachelor degree, if you have a bachelor degree in computer science from any other university in the country, you are admitted directly. If you have a bachelor's degree in applied mathematics or electrical engineering at one of the 4 Dutch technical universities, you are eligible to the bridging program. So just check this website to understand a bit more. If you have an HBO degree, you're not really directly qualified to the admission, but you might be eligible to the bridging program as well. Again, check the same website. For international students, the admissions are closed for this upcoming year. So my suggestion is take a look at our website. The URL is there, and it points you to the criteria for admission for as an international student. And if you have questions, I also leave the email of the part of our department that takes care of admission. Okay? How do you get more information? Our website is very complete, so take a look at our website. In there we show the different research groups that we have, the different tracks, the different specialization, special programs. So everything is in there. If you want to see what a master thesis looks like, that is a very good recommendation for students that are planning to apply, as well as students that are already in our master's program, just to see what a master thesis looked like. We have an educational repository that contains all our master theses. So take a look at this educational repository. Take a look at the theses that are made by the research group you want to do your thesis, and you can get an idea of what it looks like. Of course, feel free to talk to the lecturers or to other students, and they can give you more fine-grained information about what the program looks like. If you want to send an email, this is the email you should try first. So info-eemcs@tudelft.nl, and the folks there, they really know where to redirect your question based on the topic. So if you have questions and you don't know who to contact first, try this email and they will point you to the right place. So that was it. That was my presentation. I hope you enjoyed our master's program. I am a huge fan of our master's program, but I'm a bit biased, as you can imagine. And if you have questions, just let us know, okay? So I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I'll see you very soon in our campus. Bye-bye.